Yes, hello.
Hello, everybody, again and again.
Brain stopped for a second there. Yes, welcome back. We're reacting to even more K-pop Christmas songs. This time it's Xdinary Heroes, Xmas.
Is it almost meant to be Extraordinary Heroes?
Yeah, I'd imagine.
I like it. That's clever.
Anyway, jumping on in.
We're in the game zone.
And it's an actual band this time too, not just do they dance as well? They put their...
Can't dance when you got a guitar in your hand, mate.
Sure you can. You move your feet
That
around.
is Bejeweled.
Do an Irish jig. Do they have well, they do.
Oh, damn, alright.
Okay, so it's a darker one.
I love it though. This is my kind of music.
It does sound good. Got a nice sound to it. That'll limit us. Oh, there we go.
I love their outfits. They're so cool. It's
Okay.
like a classy grunge. Like
Yeah.
it's not grungy.
No, because it's still got some nice colour, but it's that
And they've also
heaviness.
got the bejeweled, bedazzled. Oh, the side of his head's bloody bejeweled. I love it.
Yeah, you gotta go all out.
Do I need to do that? Just put a little
Can you?
diamantes along the side. I like it. Give it a
maybe.
go.
The background almost reminds me of Spy Kids.
The background
The
what?
background, like the stage, almost reminds me of like Spy Kids colours. Just a little bit.
A little psychedelic in the background there, guys. Ooh. Oh, alright. Who are we hiding from?
Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, solo. Like it. A little riff.
God, I love that there's 3 guitars and 2 pianos. That just seems extra.
Yeah, we've got that extra depth in the sound. Very nice.
That's very cool. That one I could definitely jam to more. That one's a good time. Not that I couldn't jam to any of the ones we've reacted to,
True.
but that's cool. Very, very cool.
It was very nice.
There was that was the only one for this. Hey, we didn't have another. Oh, we got a sneaky video. Oh, all right.
We have a live.
Oh,
Another
alright.
live.
Oh, my
Let's get straight into
apologies.
it. Welcoming the song again. Very nice.
Anyone who can whisper sing and it still sound decent, ridiculous. I just want to see the drummer get a little bit more into it. He's real chill with the drums.
Drums.
Yeah, he's just doing his thing, but like,
Okay. He's still got energy, you know. Oh yeah. He's a little more chill on the back.
he's very chill.
Sure. Let's play.
It sounds the same as the last one we watched. That's so cool.
Yeah.
God, I love seeing the tartan.
Does it remind you of the heritage, Chloe? bass is cool. Yeah. It's a very different sound to the other Christmas songs we've been hearing.
It really is,
a
yeah.
Christmas song? Yeah, I mean, it is Xmas, but it's a very different sound. What?
Is it a Christmas song?
I know, but even still.
Still some psychedelic things in the
Oh,
background
of course.
too. Yeah.
You gotta have that.
Oh, we're going through a vortex.
Okay, bit of a hiccup.
So just a small hiccup. You'll see it.
Oh, yeah, you will. You probably did see it
How
already.
bad we don't know how technology works.
Apparently not. Battery died. Anyway, continue. Moving on, continuing with it. We're getting into
30
it too.
seconds left.
That's all we had to wait for. There you go. All that for a battery.
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, God. Yes. And there you have it.
Adorable.
Ah,
I like that. I love new Christmas songies.
yeah.
It's good. We need more. We need more.
Even if you can't quite understand the language, not bad. Yeah, it's good.
That's all right. It's a learning curve. It's a learning curve.
Learning curve.
We'll
No, fair
practice.
enough. All right, well,
Practice.
goodbye. We'll see you in the next video.